And you must have noticed one thing, and this isn't the nature of the BJP and the RSS. If you noticed a statement of the foreign minister, he said China is much more powerful than us. If China is much more powerful than us, how can I pick a fight with them? Matlab, at the heart of the ideology is cowardice. अगर वो मुझसे कमजोर है तो मैं अपने 5-10 मित्रों के साथ उसको पीट दूंगा, मगर अगर वो आरएसएस वालों से तगड़ा है तो भी भाग जाते हैं। और सावरकर ने अपनी किताब में लिखा है, अगर आपने पढ़ी हो, उनकी किताब है, उसमें लिखा कि एक दिन उन्होंने और उनके 5-6 मित्रों ने एक मुसलमान व्यक्ति को पीटा और उस दिन उनको बहुत खुशी हुई। तो देखिए, अगर 5 लोग एक आदमी को पीटते हैं और फिर उनमें से किसी एक व्यक्ति को बड़ी खुशी हो रही है, वो कायरता ही है। अगर लड़ना ही है तो एक व्यक्ति से जाके अकेले लड़ लो, मगर नहीं, 5-10 लोग सावरकर जी के साथ एक व्यक्ति को पीटते हैं। तो इनकी आइडियोलॉजी में ये भी है, if someone is stronger, and the foreign minister of the country is saying it, you imagine he is saying China is stronger than us, so we can't fight with them. Acha, the British were stronger than us, so then we should not have fought with them. How would we ever get independence? How would we ever get independence if we had followed the BJP's principle and the RSS principle that if they're stronger than us, if they're stronger, then we don't fight them out. We would be still ruled by the British. Right? So at the heart of their idea is cowardice. And that's the lesson for everybody, and including the people in India. As you said, डरो मत, डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं इनसे. There's nothing to be scared of. And in fact, the way I look at it, the more they attack me, the better that is for me. Because the more I understand, the more I learn. Right? So this is a fight between courage and cowardice. It's a fight between respect and disrespect. It's a fight between love and hatred. जो मैंने कहा था भारत छोड़ो यात्रा में, नफरत के बाजार में हम मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलने आए हैं. And that is the message that I would leave you. As a community in this country, you have done us all very proud. And of course you have done us proud because you've been successful, because you've made a lot of money, you've developed a lot of businesses. But that's not the real reason you made us proud.